in Vinny Cuz, where we watch the green line cross over the yellow line, and then we make some money where we have a $1,000 paper trading challenge, and we turn it into $2,000 before we go live. Two Uber drivers trying to find a way out of ride sharing through day trading. Let's make this money.
This is Sparta!
Oh, I almost knocked my coffee down.
Anyway, we are broadcasting live on 3 different channels this morning. We have Eddie's. Watch him lose his money because I ain't losing no money. Not often. Not often. I don't lose money that often. I mean, I lose money, bro. Trust me. I have bad trades. But we are streaming on his Watch Him Lose Money. We are streaming on Basic Trading 101, where I try to keep it as simple as possible. I believe keeping it simple, stupid is the best way to trade. I don't need to be fancy. I just need to be right more times than I'm not right. And we are also broadcasting on Driving in Style, Eddie's Uber YouTube page. I used to broadcast on my YouTube page for my Uber driving. If you're into Uber driving, you can go to Vinny Cuz on YouTube and you will find a plethora
That's some good info.
because
This is Sparta!
And we really need that little guy.
listen, man, we're just two Uber drivers making the transition into trading stocks. So
Oh yeah.
anyway, Eddie, what's the numbers? Where we at right now, buddy? What's the numbers?
So the numbers are at 1060 and you are at 1090 1090 something. I'm sorry, I take that back. I'm 1030, 1030 and you're what? 1090 something?
1092.
1092.
And if you're just
1000.
catching this stream right now for the first time, this challenge started on Monday. So we are only 2 days into the trading. Monday, I did not take any trades because I didn't see anything I liked. Remember that? I didn't make one trade on Monday. I saw nothing I liked. And one of the biggest things you got to know before you even get started in this is know when not to trade. You cannot force trades. You need your setups to come to you. Speaking of which, Edward, bring up your chart, buddy. I want you to see what you see on your charts. That's my chart, but I want to do your chart first.
Uh-huh.
So, what are you looking at this morning? Do
So
you have your
I always start as SPY, so I've been going back and forth in between SPY and Tesla, and I have my nice little support and resistance here. Usually every morning, I would erase my lines and I will put them back up again every morning. This way I get used to it because I'm still learning. That's why I'm doing the paper trading. So, I redo my lines, and then when you do yours, which you are more experienced, then I will go ahead and match mine with yours.
buddy? I think my two videos that I have on Basic Trading 101, I think the most views are from you.
Oh, yeah.
I think the most views are for you. And that's good because that's what they're there for. They're there for so if you have a question about how to establish your support and resistance lines and
Uh-huh.
have a question about what are trend lines and trend channels, there's two little videos right there that you can reference. You hit the QR code in the upper left hand corner. That'll take you to the channel. You can check out the videos. Also, so what else is going on there, Edward? All right, so
Nothing. So these are my two main stocks that I use, that I've been trying to stick to because I don't want to be watching too many stocks. But like I do have this, which is so I'm watching Tesla, Apple, and Amazon on the bottom.
okay,
Just in case I see a pattern and I can practice with them too. But still, my pattern for the day, my strategy is when my green line, which is my 9 EMA, crosses over the VWAP, which is the orange, and that's when I go ahead and decide whether I'm going to make my get in or not. Okay, I take in my 10% and or 1 to 1.5 ratio, take it. But I've been getting out like really early because I get scared. I just want to take my profits and go.
right.
because yesterday my account was 1,065, but I decided to go ahead and keep trading, and I guess you could call it revenge, not revenge trading, but over trading. And then I
Well,
lost half of that. So
I was in the same thing yesterday. I had two winning trades, got up to plus 108 on the day, and then I took that last trade, which I shouldn't have took. I said I shouldn't have took it. It's on tape. It's on tape. I said I shouldn't took it. It was a bad idea. And I gave back a few dollars and finished at only plus 92 for the day. So yeah, that's a real thing. Like just because you're having success doesn't mean you're going to have success on every trade. You're trying to get to, a winning, not only I think, not only just, the fact of making money. I mean, what that's the purpose of trading, but you want to have a strong win rate versus loss rate, because if your win rate is higher than your loss rate, as well as your profits versus your stop losses. As long as those two things are to the plus or positive, you're doing
yeah.
well. You're doing
So,
well.
and this is my strategy right here. Green line crosses over my orange. My red is on top, my 200, and basically once it starts going in that direction, once it crosses, I wait for the next candle to close, and then that's when I
So
make my
what is
purchase.
so listen. So what is your green line? No. Define your colors, because people speak in terms of not green and grid, like Sergio has told you many times. They speak in terms of 9 minute EMA, 45 minute
Okay.
EMA.
So this is my 2 minute. So this is my 2 minute. So I usually go back and forth in between my five, my three, and my two. And if I see that my green crossing over the yellow is falling under both
Wait a minute.
my,
So what does your green line represent?
so my green line is my 9 EMA and my orange is my VWAP.
Okay.
Okay. Today, like on this day, I would have been going uh, buy and put options, which is making money as the market goes down, because my red was indicating it was just, the market was odds are it was going to go down.
Okay.
So
So
that's what I was
we
waiting for once the cross happened.
okay. So there's a reason why I'm having you spell these things out, identify what they are, because anybody who might view the channel, they're like, "What the hell is he talking about? Green over orange or green over red?" And I'm not doing that for Sergio's sake. I'm doing that for the viewers' sake, because I think Sergio has given up on you. For those of you who don't know, Sergio is our mentor. He's our down low key mentor. 30 years on Wall Street. He's done it all. He's been there. He's done that. So, and he yells at us all the time, but it's okay because
He
he
don't do
loves
the
us.
runs.
He loves us. Well, you had some big news yesterday. You heard the big news, right? Heard the big news?
What was the big news?
The big news is confirmed. Jerome Powell's is the Fed chair is talking about a half point move. So I think if you check your economic calendar, he's talking about bumping up a half point in the Fed interest rate. And I think that might have thrown people for a little bit of a loop yesterday. I don't know why they don't see it. All the numbers indicate that we need to raise rates more to stomp out inflation. But, what do I know? I'm just some dumbass Uber driver trying to make it in the trading world.
Let me see. What do we have
All right.
here?
So while you're doing that, I'm going to go ahead and throw in some more support resistance lines on SPY. This is SPY, the 30-minute chart. I want to get my chart set up. So we have lower day yesterday also turned out to be a little bit of a support level there, which is good. So we're going to turn that green, because currently right now that is our support level. And as we can see coming across, right, it's a pretty healthy support level. So we got some support here, broke through, shot back up. Got some support here. Even though some of these candles will break through, they don't close below the support level. So here it hit the support level and bounced. It hit it 3 times here. It never closed below it. But it did, went back up. So there's your support. We did get a close here, and then it just fired back up. So that's trading. That's the way it is. You see this big downtrend right here we had. I'll mark some of this out for you so you can see what I'm doing here. We did have this downtrend here, right? and then it came back, broke through. Could have caught SPY at this level here and rode this up a little bit if you were a swing trader, but we're day traders, so we're in and out, intraday traders. So yeah, I like that support level right there. After that, I would say we have one more that I'll keep my eye on today, and that'll be right about here. Let's change that back to white because it's not representing much right now. But we have pretty much a pretty good level right there. So yeah, we'll throw that in there. 396.26 or 29 or thereabouts. Actually, you know what? Let me adjust this line a little bit. There we go. I think that's a better line. 396.14. So call it 396. So that's where I'm at there, Eddie, on the SPY. Let's go into Tesla real quick. Tesla might be going for a ride today. We don't know yet. We're going to extend some of these. Look at this yesterday, though, bro. Look at this yesterday. Right? Here's yesterday's 30-minute chart. We caught this leg down. Remember, I caught this leg down, and then I caught it back up into the zone. It came all the way back up to this top zone, to this second to the highest zone yesterday, where we wicked in, and then just after the news came out, half-point increase, boom, and came all the way. I did not anticipate it getting into this 185 or this zone right here, this 186 zone. Did not see that coming. Did not see that coming. And I did not open up trading yesterday for Power Hour. So now we got issues, bro. Let's get into the 1 hour. Now we got issues. Because now I have nothing to base, an area. I mean, we could go here. But there's really nothing like there. 15-minute chart, open it up.
Let me see on the 4 hour.
So I don't know, bro. It's gonna be one of those days. Let's check Apple out for Wes. I know Wes out of Arizona. He joins us every morning. We appreciate the hell out of him. Looks like Apple's trying to make a little move here. Where are we at? 928. So let's get into the 2-minute chart. Apple might be a contender, even though I don't like trading Apple. As far as I'm concerned, Apple could go to zero. NVIDIA, that's my other baby. I don't have anything charted on NVIDIA right now. So at this point, I would be using Eddie's strategy because I haven't charted anything yet. My 9 EMA is over my 45 EMA, which is both over my VWAP, both trending in the up direction. But this is pre-market, so we have to wait to see what it does. All right, Eddie. What's rule number 1 in trading, day trading? What's our first rule?
Wait 15 to 30 minutes.
Get it, son. Get it, son. You're going to be a day trader yet.
Let the market play out.
You're going to be a day trader yet, bro.
Even if I see my pattern setting up, I'm still going to wait at least my 15 minutes.
You damn straight.
More times than not, it's just I get in and totally goes against me. Damn it.
That's it. So we're going to wait and see what the market does at open. I've got my SPY chart up. And we're getting ready. We're about 1 minute away. I'll ring the bell once it hits 9:30. I have a bell. I have a special bell.
Do you really?
Yep.
Nice.
My special bell, bro.
Let me see.
You know my special bell, bro. Come on.
I got SPY.
I gotta bring up a timer. I gotta get a timer on our charts. Anyway, first 15 minutes, no trading. God darn it. I have to bring my calendar, but there it is.
This is Sparta!
That's my bell, bro. That's my bell. That's my bell. That's my bell.
I've been looking at how to get the little Spartan kicking.
Ah,
animated, so I can put it here. But I don't know. I've been trying to, but I can't find one. I don't know how to put it. I don't know how to get one.
oh, you mean the little animation guy?
The little animated guy.
All right. So there's Tesla. Tesla up on the chart. Unless I got a seriously strong breakout, I will not trade before 10 a.m. I mean 9:45. First 15 minutes. Need the mark. I tell you though, there are a lot of people just made a lot of money.
What on
Opening
that?
bell on this big
This,
candle
yeah.
right here on Tesla. Yeah, a lot of people
Some
making a
people
lot of
like
money right there right now.
some people, people trade that, and I don't know how they can predict that it's gonna take off or not.
It's not so much a prediction. Hey, let's throw up the 1 minute chart on
Well,
this. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Craziness, isn't it? Like, why get in that mud? For me, I'm not good enough to get in that mud right there. That's mud to me. Absolute mud.
ye-
Absolute mud. Absolute mud.
9:45. I hate when these things happen. Okay.
What's going on there?
No,
What are we doing?
no. On my multiple charts, I copied and pasted, but I
Look at
have
Nvidia making that run for the border. Nvidia's making the run up north, the Canadian border. SPY's making that run up too, trying to get back to 400. Does it get back to 400 today? Also, be aware this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment and educational purposes only. If you have any questions, please seek out a financial advisor. We are paper trading on the Webull platform.
like a really good financial advisor. Really good financial advisor. All right, here we go. All right, I need to make the chart a little teeny bit bigger.
Always in the upper left hand corners, we will have QR codes that'll randomly pop up. You can scan the Webull code, download Webull. It's free to paper trade. Free to paper trade. You can use the mobile version or the desktop version. Trading View, the number one trading platform, trading chart platform in the world on this global stage. It also has a free use. And then Basic Trading 101. Um, yeah, that's my YouTube channel. A
Want to
couple
learn
of videos
how to
on
put your
there, be a couple more videos on there, just really basic stuff that you need to know before you even take your first trade. What's that, Edward?
no, yeah, basic trade 101 if you want to learn where to put your lines.
Where to put your lines. Oh, it's more than lines,
Yeah,
bro.
I know, but everybody else is gonna ask. It's like, what do you mean by support and resistance? It's like it's just lines that we put
Man,
Ain't nobody got time for that.
we
where
ain't trying to hear all that.
where areas where the green or red candle might go to and might bounce off of.
That's it. All right,
But
so you see
I do
everything?
use bar chart also. I still have a bar chart up that I still have for my lines. So
So look at that. Opening range this morning. Opening range. Fired off, came right back down. Apple got up above, broke above 152. It's trying to hold above this level here. Will it maintain that support? I don't know. Wes has got puts. Wes has got puts. Tesla. Look at that. Opening range bound. People made a grip there, and now watch it come all the way back down. Does Tesla get back to 180 today? That's the question.
see, and if you watch Tesla, well, actually the cross never even technically happened.
That's right.
So you just like just sit and wait.
It was a fake out. Do the Dom, bro.
It's
Do the
called the
Dom.
Dom. The
The
Dom.
Dom.
Okay, the Dom, just like this. Let me see. I'm gonna look at
Got
my
the
last
Dom.
little wait 30 minutes, trade two stocks, spy Tesla, 9 EMA cross, the VWAP, follow 200 EMA as trade goes on my rules. Well, not my rules, but what I have learned so far. Slow market, no trades. So,
That's it. Nvidia popped. A little bit of a retracement there. Tesla looks like it might be my baby again today. Apple. Wes says he's got 2 weeks on these babies. I know you do, bro. I'm rooting for you. Listen, I want Apple to go to zero. I think it's the most corrupt, god darn tech company out there after Microsoft.
what about Google?
They're corrupt, but they ain't stupid. They're just, they like to censor people. Anything they just like to censor people. But they're not stupid. They know where they make their money. If people don't advertise, Google don't make no money, bro. That's it. End of discussion. We are the product on Google. You know what I'm saying?
What is the ticker for YouTube?
Google.
Oh, it still falls on the Google?
All of it's under Alphabet. Yeah, Google.
Ooh, let's see. Let's see what happens. Just time. Time.
Time is on my side. Oh, look at Spy, Spy, Spy. We can see this is what is this? This is a low pre-market. Low pre-market. Is it going to come down to low pre-market? I don't know. Oh, we got 0 viewers, bro. Zero. Zero. Nobody's watching. We should go home.
Ah, let them go home. Let them all go home. Telling you, if this pans out the way we want to, ooh, it is going to be.
Turn. I think people like that fast-paced trading. That.
Yeah,
Where
that one
I'm like,
definitely got my attention.
what's that? Fast-paced trading?
Yeah, yeah, I really like
That's
it.
but that's not.
Really like it.
But that's not real trading. I see you, Wes. I see you, brother. But that's not. Is that real trading, Eddie?
Well, we're doing exactly the same thing. It's just fast paced. You know,
Yeah,
that's
we're
all it
making
is.
smart trades. Smart trades.
It's just like
Smart trade.
if you watch, if you watch Cameron, he's just like control shift A, and I think it was A and W. He buys it, he sells like really fast. But he's following the same thing. Once he starts seeing like right now, if it's going like all red candles, and then he sees like a green candle, boom, 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 he'll get out, and then he'll wait for the pullback. Once he sees the pullback, and on the pullback you start getting red candles again, then boom, he gets back in. But it's like it's fast, it's quick and fast.
I mean, I get the adrenaline rush. I get the adrenaline rush. I get the. I get all that. I do. I get all that. But, I can't do it, bro. Like, I don't want to trade that way.
Oh, it's so much
I don't
fun.
know. Maybe I'm a control freak. I don't know. Maybe I'm just a control freak.
But
But I like to make smart
he has his
decisions.
scan though. He has his scan, and his scan puts up stocks that are like being pumped like crazy, and you just
Yeah,
go in for the ride.
he's momentum trader. He's a momentum trader.
Yeah.
But at the other point of that, we're momentum traders also. We're just momentum traders. Good morning,
Very
Richard.
slow,
You
very
and Wes in
slow.
the house. Wes and Richie in the house. Y'all listen to Richie, man. Richie will have you saving money big time. Richie's good. He'll have you earning interest, dividend stocks, interest. Bro, do you know what Richie does? Richie goes to all the channels we broadcast to, whether it's trading, whether it's the rideshare garage, everybody. This is what he does, bro. He goes to all the channels and he gives them all a thumbs up.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Richie
Wait,
and Wes,
Richie Burger.
Richie and Wes, when I get these shirts made, I'm gonna have basic trading 101 shirts made, and I'm gonna get one for Richie and one for Wes. We got to get one for Richie and one for Wes. Basic trading 101. I'm curious to see what Spy is going to do when Spy hits the
Three
pre-market
ninety
bump.
seven. Yeah, that what is that? 397.64.
I don't know. Oh, what else is going on? What economic news we got today? Let me check. Let me check. Let
Nothing.
me check. Let me check.
Everything starts in about 20 minutes is when everything hits. Let me see hold on, what's today? Wednesday, right? Yeah, yeah.
So at
Um
8:15 we had the ADP unemployment numbers. At 8:30 we had the U.S. trade balance, which is still in the freaking tank. Numbers came in higher, bro. Numbers came in a lot higher. Unemployment or ADP employment numbers came higher. It's like I don't understand. Then 10 a.m. Powell goes back and he's testifying in front of Congress again. 10 a.m. the JOLTS report, job openings. So yeah, bro, not good, not good.
yep, and we don't trade the news. We trade after the news.
What the hell is
After
all that?
the news.
What's all that noise? Is that your computer?
I don't know. Is it saying
Um,
bling?
yeah,
Maybe.
bro, control your computer.
I can control it. I'm getting messages. Are you sure that's
Control it.
me? That's not me.
That ain't me.
Bloom.
All right, so there's Spy. What's Tesla doing? Tesla's coming back into my range. See, pull a quick fib from high of day to low of day right now. See what we got going on here. Because we're getting close to that time frame where if I'm going to
Mhm.
trade, I'm going to make that trade. I need to do a video on Fibonacci retracement, but like I understand it. I just don't know how to explain it. Does that make sense?
Oh, you just put the Fibonacci and just watch where when it gets to those support and or resistance lines.
Like I say, I understand it. I know what I'm looking for when I look at it, but I just don't know how to explain it. So I might have to default to somebody else for that. Maybe I'll go scoop somebody's video. But this is on the 1 minute time frame. This is a nothing time frame. Here's the 2 minute time frame. See, look at this. This is a clip I should take out though. So if we start on the fib, right, on the daily, we see a lot more candles, obviously, a lot more noise. We get into the 2 minute, and all of a sudden it looks completely different. We get into a 5 minute, looks completely different. From the 2 minute chart, you would say, okay, we got a little pullback on this current candle. But on the 5 minute, uh, it's pulling back. We can see it's pulling back. But look at our wicks. Opening candle. Tall wick to the top, small wick to the bottom, prices coming down. The rocket ship's firing down, right? Second 5 minute candle. We had some buyers in there at 182.47, right? So rocket ship's firing up. Third candle, a lot of indecision. Market doesn't know what it wants to do yet. But if you come back over here and look at the 2 minute candle, you're like, okay, now it makes sense. The indecision. The indecision. Tesla, Tesla, Tesla.
Yep,
Anyway,
just as
so what
coming off
else?
right off that bounce.
Here, let's look at your charts. Let me see what you're
Spy
looking at.
it. Spy. Well, I got the Tesla. It's up, but I'm also looking at Spy right now with that volume that's going on with the bouncing right off the my 9 EMA. So it is tempting. It has been 45 minutes already, so I mean, 15 minutes. So it's 8:45.
So what I'm looking at here is I'm looking at the Tesla chart or Tesla option chain, and what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the heaviest traded options. Which options has the most volume this morning? So far, the 180 put has the most volume traded this morning, 45,000 contracts. On the call side, it looks like 190 so far, but barely because 185 is starting to pick up steam. So that kind of tells me, where we're looking at. A lot of people think Tesla's going to get down into that $180 mark, right? They're betting, they're thinking it's going to go to 180. Volume is just insane there. And these are weekly contracts. So these contracts expire on Friday, not today. And then we've got the 185 and the 190 contracts. Waiting for the setup. I want to see what it does at 180. Doesn't make any sense. I can get rid of this Fibonacci. That's invalidated. I'm going to have to make a smaller version of my Weeble so that I can put it up on this other screen and just do like you do. Just instead of having a unshare, reshare, I just open up the window. That's why I got to get this computer over here set up for this. Oh,
See, like as of right now, okay, so this technically would be me getting in on, well, it's SPY. Tesla did it, but it's not moving. It's not moving.
that's it. So if you don't see your setup, you don't take the trade.
No, like, well, the thing is, I see my setup, but the rule that I added was slow market, no trades. It's a slow market, unless otherwise 10 o'clock comes and next thing this thing pops to the downside, then I'll go ahead and take my side, but my trade there and go for the ride. But it's moving slow. See, it's because of this. See that? It's doing it right now. Again, SPY. Curling right back up to the upside. Little bastards. Look
Good
at that.
job. He's learning. He's learning, y'all. He's learning, y'all. Give that man a hand. He's learning.
But thinking it was gonna pop down to the downside because I'm getting my signal. I got my 200 indicating, that it's gonna be going lower, and then but still, it's just like no, I'm not doing it again. Not doing it again. Slow market, no trades.
He's learning, y'all. He's learning. All right, so we're gonna put it a trend line here. I need a trend line now. I have a channel forming. I want to keep this channel going. There we go. We got our channel for this morning on Tesla right now. Channels are huge, bro. Channels will help you determine direction, take away a lot of noise. I really want to wait and see if this thing breaks 180 or not. It's huge right here. Huge. Now, could have been trading, could have been in this since 185.
Yeah, but still.
There was a leg here, came back up. There's another leg down here. I mean, these are trading points. These are areas that could have been traded. Could have traded this. Excuse me. Could have traded this. I mean, that's big money on Tesla right now. That's big money in contracts. Those are two good down legs with a flag coming back up this way. Whoop.
See, let's see
So
what
it came
happens
down,
on
leg
Tesla.
down, flagged up, leg down. Let's see what this one does here. We should get another leg, another here somewhere, and then fire back down again. See what happens. See if it plays out.
You know, if you watch at Amazon, Amazon is doing the same thing too.
Nope, I don't watch Amazon. I've added Apple into my stock watch routine because of Wes. Wes likes Apple. Other than that, I don't care about nothing else other than SPY, Tesla, and Nvidia. That's it. I don't care about nothing else. You start trying to chase too many stocks, you're going to lose a lot of goddamn money. Look at Nvidia holding up. Look at this. Look at that. Nvidia making a run. Run for the border. Let's see where Nvidia's at. This is a daily chart on Nvidia. Still got a big gap here to fill, though. Holy Jesus, I didn't see this. That's a daily gap, though. You know what? I'm not even going to mark that. It's a daily gap. That's a solid line right there. 239.08 is what we'll be looking for on Nvidia. That's a topping area. So let's see if it gets there.
All right, my Tesla is looking good right now. Here's my Tesla.
All right, see what you're looking at. Let me see your chart. There you go. We are paper trading on the Webull desktop and using TradingView. TradingView for our overall charting, Webull for our trading and execution. If you haven't given it a shot, you should give it a shot. It's free. It doesn't swipe up a lot of your resources on your computer. Doesn't have that lag that Thinkorswim has. SPY puts down to 392. Let me take a look.
I take a 175 put. It's like $150
175 put for what? Tesla?
for Tesla. Yeah, that's what I'm technically I'm not in it yet. But
See, I want to see what Tesla does here.
1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. Okay, and let's see the 5. Everything's okay. I got your chat.
You got my what?
No, I was just saying that
So this is what I'm seeing right now.
okay. I am in. Oh, come on. Are you gonna get in? Order 155. Is he gonna get in? Here's my order. Damn, it's not filling.
Well, it might have been moving too fast. Might have been moving too fast, my friend.
Let me see if I can cancel the order. Yep. So there we go. I missed out. So I'm not trading it now.
Getting ready to hit this 180 level, 180.69. I've got a call dialed up. Got the 185 call dialed up, ready to go. We'll see what happens. We'll see if we're going to keep pushing or if we're going to bounce off this area. I'd like to play it from this. If it rejects here and bounces up, turns this, if this support holds, I want to try to bounce back into that zone. But we got to wait and see what happens here. Don't want to get faked out. I want to take one contract or two. Two contracts. All right, I'm dialed up for two contracts here. Need a little confirmation. See what it wants to do here. I'm getting that undecided candle here. We break out above that 181 level. I might have to take this. This is the third section of this leg down. So let's see, 9 EMA. I'm looking for my 9 EMA. There she goes. There she goes. Come on. You're going to get above it. Up. I know it's a green candle. Long wick to the top. Where's Jerome to tank this thing already? He starts at 10 a.m., bro. 3 minutes. He starts talking noise again. There it is. There it is. Come on. Come on. Oh, that's a big candle. All right. I'm trying to take two here. See if I'm in. Yep, I'm into contracts. I'm going to try to push these up.
Mm-hmm. There it goes. And I'm gonna get ready for mine.
It's a risky trade. Risky trade. Risky trade. I need this candle to stay green here. Jesus Christ. I got to shut off my Weeble notifications. See if we can get back up to this 183.50 area. That's what I'm targeting. I'm targeting 183.50. Yeah, I'm going to have to start getting some lo-fi music in here, but it's hard because if I do music on my channel, it's going to give you a copyright strike on yours. This is the top of the range here. Let me show you something else here.
Yeah, it keeps coming up.
See how it's now this is on the Weeble chart. You see how it's hitting my left chart is the stock chart, right chart is the options chart. So you see how it hit the top of that, it hit the top of this range and then bounced down. Rejecting. Oh man, I might lose my hind parts right now. But let's see.
I don't know,
Let's see
but
what
you,
it wants
you,
to do.
you might
Look
you
at
might get
that.
that okay. It's gonna go. Watch. Tesla's gonna drop big time. Look at SPY.
Yeah, but you know what? I'm not going to get nervous here because this is just Jerome Powell, 10 a.m. So this is This is a panic for the market because Powell just started at 10 a.m. in front of the Senate.
Come on, get in, get in, get in, get in, get in. I want to take this ride. Bastard.
I'm dialing up the same contract, and I might buy 2 more. Yep, I can buy 2 more. I might buy 2 more. Split the baby, as Richie would say.
I'm not liking this. My order just I'm not feeling for Tesla.
I am down $100 right now on this trade, 17%.
Let me delete this.
This is just market reaction.
I was just trying to.
Nothing else happened at 10 a.m., bro. Oh, the JOLTS report. Is that 10 a.m.? God dang it. I forgot about the JOLTS report. Yep. JOLTS report just hit. So everybody's nervous. And when they're nervous, there's blood in the water. That's when you get paid, bro. That's when you get paid, bro.
You know, that sucks. Totally freaking missed out.
Stop. You didn't miss out. Stop.
By the way, this, if you guys look at SPY, Tesla's following right on. I mean, look at it.
The entire market's following it, bro. What are you talking about?
I'm just
Everybody's
saying.
following it.
No. What I'm saying is like Tesla, SPY did it first, and then Tesla did it right behind it.
All right,
So
I
I
just
could've-
bought 2 more contracts. I brought my dollar cost average down to 252. I'm going to play that the market just lost its mind for a minute. And then I'll sell. If I can get to 252, I'll sell those contracts out. There's no loss. But this will be my whole trading day because I've only got $86 in settled cash. So this is my trading day right now. SPY is trying to recover.
Oh yeah. Oh my god.
What
All
happened?
the way down to 396.83 in 2 minutes.
Yep. So this either I'm gonna lose a shit ton of money today or I'm gonna make a couple bucks. It's one or the other. Oh, you guys might be watching somebody blow up their account live. He said SPY puts. Yeah, but I'm telling you, I really do believe it's just a reaction to Jerome Powell. Jerome Powell just testifying in front of Congress. That's what I think it is. I could be wrong. Yeah, the JOLTS report must not have been that good.
What is this JOLTS report that you guys are talking about?
Job openings.
Oh.
Which, makes me wonder with all of that because the way they find out if unemployment rate is they call 60,000 households. Are you working? Yes. Are you working? No. Is anybody in your house working 2 jobs? Yes. Okay. And that counts as unemployment. It's a freaking phone call. Like it's such bullshit. They count gig workers as working, as being employed. Gig workers aren't employed. They're independent contractors at their own business. How does that count in the unemployment number? See, they don't ask specifics.
Because technically we don't work. We're not employers.
You do. You're not employees. So you're not employed. I mean, I guess, maybe.
Well, technically I'm employed by myself.
Right, you're a business owner.
Correct. So I employ myself and I pay myself whatever I want, kind of, to a
Exactly.
certain point.
Exactly. All right. Looking at my Tesla. What's Tesla going to do here? Do,
Oh
do,
yeah.
do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
I could have, right there, right there. That could have been mine, but no. Let me see, what else do I have here? Let me see, Apple, opportunity, maybe.
Getting some indecision here in the market.
Yeah.
Watch it creep back up. Let's creep back up. So we had one big leg, two big legs, and then we had some indecision.
That 396 level, I don't know, so pre-market back in what was this? On the second.
Down 9% on this trade right now. Watching Tesla like a hawk. Get back over this 180 support. Come on. Come on. So Eddie, are you in anything or are you clean right now?
Nope, I'm still clean right now, but I am trying to set up some puts here.
All right, this 181.28 is a huge level now. Is a huge level, this 181.28. That was previous low of day. Need to set this up too. It's recovery. It's rejecting.
All right, here we
Doesn't know
go.
what it wants to do here. You can see my chart. You can see what's going on here, what I'm looking at.
I see it. My 1 minute is looking good. My 2 minute is looking good. My 3 minute also. All right. Look at that. I'm already nervous.
Yep, I'd be getting nervous too right now. I'm a little nervous, but I'm not nervous enough to kill these trades yet. One leg, two legs, three legs, and then the recovery. It's usually how this works. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch.
There we go. Now it's
Come
turning
on.
to the upside.
I need to sell two of these at 260. Big leg up. Big leg up. Come on. Come on. Give me that recovery. It's that 182.48 level. Let's go. One leg, two leg, three legs more. Come on. Need you to hold the 181.31. Flip it. Flip it. Come on. Flip it. Give me that candle ship to the top. Give me that rocket ship to the top. So let's protect my money a little bit. Let's go ahead and close out 2 of these positions right now. We'll sell 2 at, I want to sell them at 260. I'm going to sell 2 at 260. Recover some of my money. Those 2 are gone. We're still holding 2. We're going to hold these a little bit. We're going to try to get back up to this 182.48 level. We'll scale out another one. We'll scale out one more contract. Doing the Dom, controlling emotions. Let the charts tell the story.
Come on, let my pullback come back to the 9 EMA.
No, I don't want the pullback. Are you in a put right now?
Nope. I'm not in anything right now.
Then we want to go higher.
Correct.
We
So
want to
I'm
go
waiting. I'm waiting for this damn thing to decide its direction. Wait for the pullback, touch the 9 EMA, and then continue its uptrend and or downtrend.
All right, selling one more contract. It's a little too indecisive for me. It's very, very low positivity. That contract sold. Not up a lot of money today at all. It's a lot of risk. I risked a lot of money for this little bit, but I'll take the small wins too. Sitting in one contract left now. What was that? 92. I'm up like $45 right now on the day. That's it.
Okay, I got volume. Volume. I got my call correct. But it's just that wick.
Got the
That
fib retracement pulled up now. Trying to get back into this 50 area. Let's mark that in. That's where we're trying to get to. Trying to get to that blue dotted line. Ride this trend line back up. See what happens, bro. See what happens, bro.
You just want to catch the momentums.
Try to catch another leg up.
That's all I want to do. Catch one leg up. A little teeny tiny one.
Need to flip this 180. This 180 needs to be support. It's wicking below this little mini trend line I got here. This little green trend line off the bottom, lower day. VWAP still trending down. 5-minute chart still trending down. See, look at this. You look at the 5-minute chart and you're like, what the hell?
It's like right on a wick to that 399.12, which is the high of day.
Say again, lower day. What are you talking about?
For
You're
like,
on SPY, bro. I'm not on SPY.
well, yeah, I'm on SPY, not Tesla.
I'm on
I'm
Tesla.
looking at SPY. I just wanted to decide its direction.
Well, that's the key. That's the key. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There she is. There she is. FBI, open up!
Oh, Kiki's coming.
This is Sparta!
Good morning, Kiera. How's the job going there, young lady? How we
Please.
doing? Yeah, it's a tough trade. This is a tough trade right here for me. I'm plus, I'm positive on the account, but I risked a lot of money for this little bit of profit. It's not good. But I'm in the right area now. This 250 on these contracts is about the right number. There's my girl throwing up the memes. Can't wait till she gets back to Georgia, bro. I'm going up to visit her. I got to go see her before Ron and her get. I'm getting married in the morning. Come, let the church bells ring. All right, Eddie, talk to me. Talk to me, Eddie. I
I don't
would
know,
call you.
but I'm looking. I'm right now. I don't know. I have. Damn it. I keep forgetting that I have to set up my other charts, but I'm gonna try this.
Fail to plan, plan to fail. We don't try. We stick to our rules. Don't
Here's my
trade for the sake
rules.
of trading.
Here's my rules. I'm buying
Don't trade.
2 Amazon puts at. Yeah, Amazon. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it up. Hold on. Right there you go. It's just
Working is going good. Can't complain. I can complain about New Jersey. I'm ready to go. Well, come on, boo. We're waiting on you. We're waiting on you. I got a Zinger Mountain Melt waiting on you at Miller's Ale House. And I know you like jalapenos. She says you guys are in short sleeves and she's in Uggs. Listen, the only reason I even got on a shirt is because we're on YouTube. Or I'd be in my wife beater. I
it's
don't
hot.
beat my
I
wife,
think it's
but I'm
like
just saying.
some degrees outside.
We're 76 degrees and sunny here in sunny South Florida. 76 and sunny.
Oh, look at that. What a number. It's 69 right now.
Bro, stop. 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 Stop.
Really? In
Stop.
Texas, my phone says
60,
69, partly
69 and what?
cloudy.
Listen,
High of
69 with the
79,
doesn't count.
low of 63.
Did you hear me?
Did you hear me, man? Did you hear me, man?
69 with a blow up doll don't count.
Vinny, let me borrow your blow up doll.
Shit, it would have been safer. I'd had less kids.
That's why I want to borrow it because I know you don't use it.
Nope. 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 It's tucked away in the pool house. Hey, you see Kiara, she's laughing. She thinks it's funny. She thinks it's funny. Stop,
Nobody
bro.
got time for that.
Let's go. Makes your legs weak. Makes your fingers, your buy and sell trade fingers weak. Can't do that. Let's look at Eddie's spy real quick. I'm keeping an eye
Well,
on
no,
this.
not spy. I'm in a 2 Amazon puts right now. Let's
Oh,
see how
I'm
it
definitely
goes.
not. I'm
Very
not going
nervous.
for the chart. Yeah, I'm not going there for the chart. All right, let's move this. We got to move this one now. This is been invalidated. Let's see if this is going to hold.
Very nervous.
See if this trend line holds. If not, I might cut this trade loose and call it a day on this trade. I'm trying to be patient, letting the
90,
trade develop. We are
92.80.
making we are making higher lows, I think, on the 5-minute chart. Yeah, we're making higher lows on the 5-minute chart.
My 2-minute, my 3-minute, it's right there. It's touching my. It was bouncing off the VWAP. I got the cross to the downside. It's just touching the 9 EMA, just coming to the downside. Okay, on my 2, my 3, and my 5. So
this is why you scale out into bigger charts, bro. Bigger, always open up the time frames.
So let's see.
This one,
I should get this.
This 181.28 on Tesla has proven to be a formidable area of rejection so far. Still holding this contract.
Look at this. I'm so nervous. 192.18.
Now I am back to even on the day. I'm up $1 on the day profit wise. Still sitting in one contract on Tesla. Let's see what Eddie's looking at.
Yep.
Eddie,
Right now, that's around this area. Once it starts getting really close to it, I'm starting to sell at least one. It's just like it's slow moving. So I'm gonna sell that.
There's no real price action. There's no real price action happening right now. You said you're in Amazon, right?
Yep.
You need price action. You need volatility.
And it's slow moving.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm looking for Tesla to fire back off. That trend line is invalidated. I can get rid of that. But this 180 level,
What
this
the hell?
180 level is huge for Tesla.
It didn't freaking sell.
Need to find a better stroll.
No, I was selling it. I was like, you know what? I was taking my profits and I was selling. But it did it again. It didn't sell.
Gotcha.
Let me look at my orders. I got my buy, and again, it didn't do it. It didn't sell into profits. That's all I wanted. Just a break to the downside. Here we go again.
But what's the chart telling you? What's the story?
I just see a little bit of a downward movement. There is no volume.
There
But
you go.
I was just trying to catch. I was just trying to catch that, which was I knew it was going to happen. But I'm just going to get out of my 2.
Charts tell the story, bro. They don't lie.
Can just ruin my freaking sell when I want you to. Damn it.
Math is truth. Numbers don't lie. It's a very slow morning again this morning. Might be some action in the power hour, but I'll already be on them streets, bro. I'll be in them streets power hour because we got live stream tonight. And Eddie says that I have to show up. I cannot not show up tonight. I was going to take the night off. I was going to go work those mean streets of Fort Lauderdale Strip during spring break with all those nuns and priests and pastors, all fully dressed, neck to toes. I was going to ignore all the beautiful people out there enjoying their college break. Meanwhile, in Teslaville,
So pissed.
so what do we got going on here?
Yeah, no. Now I'm back on I'm back on
What do we got here? 1, 2.
Tesla.
That's what I'm looking for here. Come on, Tesla. Let's get back up to that 183. Still got to break 182.48. It's just ranging here. It's just ranging here. What time is it? 10:25.
Yes, 10. I could have.
All
I
right.
could have. I just didn't. It would have been like a 3% win, but
Weekend quests are high this week. Let's make this money. You know what? For the first time, bro, I got some decent quests. I do. They actually more than $1 a ride for me this weekend. You know, Eddie, I have never hit a quest.
never ever,
Didn't have
ever, ever.
never ever, bro. They never had quests when I was driving X. Never had quests.
Look at that. This weekend I have 170. Oh, a $200 quest. Well, 60 rides, 170, 10 rides, 40. Ooh, looks like it's doable. Definitely $1,000 weekend if I do it right. Definitely $1,000 weekend. So,
All right. Tesla's breaking above my VWAP. Up 13% on this contract now. We had a double bottom here, 1, 2 on the 2-minute chart. That's how I looked at it. See what the 5-minute chart looks like. Nice curl up here. 2-minute chart.
I just want to see. I don't know. I like the big candle here of volume on the SPY.
All right, I'm getting out of this. Just a weekday. Weekday. Just waiting on this thing to sell. There it is. It's sold.
But nothing. I
Just a
only have
weekday.
I think my first trade was like 400 something bucks.
It's 1147 minus 1092. $55 day for me, bro. That's it. $55 day. That's it. That's all I did today. 55. That's terrible. That's terrible considering I put $1,000 at risk.
Why does my account say negative 36,188 buying power?
What? What are you talking about?
You see that on my screen? Buying power
No.
negative 36,188.
What'd you do, Eddie?
I have freaking no clue. I'm not in any positions that will put me in that low.
Yeah, today was a bad day, bro. Today was definitely a bad day. Only made 5%. 5% on my money. Which that's not terrible when you think about it. I mean, I still made 5% on my money today.
Oh, I think this is it. Oh, give me a green. Give me a green. I just need a bounce.
I'm out, bro. I'm out and clean right now.
I just need a bounce. Because right now for me, SPY is just ranging. Tesla, where's Tesla?
Yep. $55.
Yeah, it's ranging. I just needed to break and decide which direction it wants to go. Yeah, the besides my quests are high this week because I'm South by Southwest, so um, it's gonna be an early morning for me. This way, I can catch up on as many rides as possible in the morning because there's not a lot of traffic. So
Right. I'm gonna have to. We started Monday, right? This challenge.
correct.
Because I'm just updating my board. That's all.
Hold on. I don't know what the hell is wrong with my account, but
Just updating my board. Let's make this money.
This is Sparta!
It's a lot of ranging.
come on.
Still in the trade?
No, no, no. I'm trying to get in it. What the hell is going on here? My freaking thing is like acting up.
Shut your Weeble down. Reopen it.
Okay,
Sometimes.
okay. I'm in. I'm in. I bought me 2 calls of spy right now. All right. I see it. I see it. It's like it's saying buy me. Buy me. I'm going up. I'm going up. It
Oh,
looks like
let's
it.
see. Right now, 398.93. 399 is your heavy resistance area.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So let's
Yeah.
break through it. Let's break
But
through
I
it.
saw the
Come
pullback.
on. There it goes. Come on. Come on. We're pulling for you, Eddie. What do you got? A couple of calls?
I just no, yeah, correct. Come on, I just want to break that 399.32 level.
399.32 is what you're targeting?
399.32 is going to be my first target, but I already put a sell order in. It's not doing it again.
Well, you just fired through that level.
Come on. What the hell's going on?
Give it a minute. You had a sell order in already, right?
Yep. Okay, I'm out.
See? Bro.
No, no, no. It happened to me last time, and I stayed in it thinking it was going to sell because it was going to take time. But on my orders, it was not in. They were not in. Like it wasn't. My order
Uh,
didn't go in here. So this is how
uh,
I've been keeping track. My position doesn't tell me, but I at least on my order it tells me yes. Okay, I send in the order.
yeah.
Okay.
Well, remember, it's paper trading.
Yeah.
It's not instant like that.
And that fucking shit. Look at this. Anyway, yeah, dude, I saw this coming. It was just like because you were talking about a higher high. You were
Right?
talking about a higher high, but this time it only pulled back, creating another higher high.
Yeah. That's fine.
Okay, and then boom, I took it.
Good job.
But I think this is it. I think this is it. I think this is the okay. Now I'm just gonna. It's just gonna continue on the on that uptrend.
Well, there's the 5-minute chart on SPY. Here you go. Here's your 5-minute. There's your 2-minute.
It's the 3 minute. Yeah, look. Let's see where it goes. I'm pretty sure that's well experience.
There's your 3-minute chart. I like the 2-minute charts better. Woohoo! Eddie's making money.
Now that one I saw coming.
Okay. Because of the higher highs?
Well, no. You're talking about the candlesticks
Uh huh.
indecision.
Uh huh.
Doji.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Got my indecision right here. Understandable. It's just, it could be, it was pulling back, but this is what got me. Higher highs, higher high. I
Open your
got like,
chart up more so we can see it. I can't see what you're talking about.
so, um, anyway, the big candle got my attention. Okay. Then,
Candle.
you were
Open your
mentioning
chart up.
about the higher highs.
Okay.
Oh, hold on. I'm sorry. Hold on. I'm looking at, hold on.
Yeah, because we can't see it.
Yeah, no. I was on the wrong screen. So, anyway, green candle got my attention. No big deal.
Okay.
That's why I always said like I want the pullback. Every time it did the big candle, every time it did a pullback, it went right back down. But like you said, it just created a higher high.
Mm-hmm.
Big candle got my attention again. It hit this point of that I have marked 399.13. It did a pullback, but this time a dojied big candle, big wicks, right above the my 9 EMA. After the cross and my other times, same thing. 5 minute, same thing. All right. So I saw my upward momentum, and I was like, okay, well, this is it's. It looks like it decided to go in a direction, but all I wanted was this move. That's it. Which I don't even know how much that was. So anyway, I'm done because that cost me about 500 bucks. I don't know what I did wrong, but the whole negative. Oh, what's going on with Steven?
He's famous. Big shout out to Steven, the unbroken driver. He's famous. He's got his picture on the rideshare guy. He's there with Kyle, who is WeZoom in the chat,
Uh
and
huh.
WeZoom, and I don't know who the other guy is, but they're there doing their thing, man, at Curbivore, which is the was the rideshare gathering in in LA last weekend. So he's famous. And Kiki went and found it, put it in the group chat.
Ooh, nice. I gotta take a look at it when I'm done here. But I'm done for today. By the way, like I was saying, I had to reset. I don't know what I did wrong. I truly don't know. I was negative 30 whatever,
How the hell did you get negative
and you got me.
31,000?
So I'm thinking Weibo had a glitch. So I kind of did something that I don't know. Anyway, so I reset my account, but brought it right back to where it was.
Okay. I ain't mad at you. I'm not going to have any glitches.
So I'm up 43 for the day.
Okay. Good
I did have
job.
a
Good
loss.
job. Good job.
This is Sparta!
Ain't nobody got time for that.
All right, so I am done.
Bro,
Two trades.
you had a positive trading day.
Yeah, because I don't care what it does now. I really don't
Market
care
doesn't
what it does
matter
now.
anymore. You're done with it. Market doesn't matter anymore.
I knew it was gonna do this. I saw it coming.
Market doesn't matter anymore. You made your money. You were in, you saw it, you read it, you hit it, you got out of it. You took your profits. That's trading. That's basic trading 101. That's it.
All right, here we go. Now let's see if well, I'm gonna keep an eye on it, see if it does the continuation here off the 9 EMA. So which I believe it probably is.
You never
This,
know.
this
You
will be the
never know.
first leg and then the second leg, but never play the third leg.
Never play the third leg. That's
I
why
don't
I
know.
didn't sweat the Tesla, my Tesla trade so much. because it was in that third leg and it bounced around and it fired right back up. And now you look at Tesla. Tesla's like dumping.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah.
So that's that. That's all she wrote. Time to get this other money. Time for this second YouTube channel thing we got to go do. And then
We are
yeah,
done for today.
we are
Looks
done.
like it. Am I not holding? All right. To the music. We are done. We'll see you guys again tomorrow.
Damn, I'm good.
Yeah.
Positive days, positive days. All right, y'all. We'll see you tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Thank you for all those that hung out with us. We'll go real quick through the QR codes one more time. Basic Trading 101. That is my YouTube channel for trading. You've got Eddie's channel. Watch him lose money. Watch me lose money. We got to get that QR code up there. Trading View, if you want to trade a little bit, practice your trading charts. #1 trading software on the planet. Charting software. Trading View, there you go. Webull. You can download Webull for your mobile app or your desktop. You can get in there and practice paper trading right along with us. We welcome anybody who wants to paper trade with us. We do use live accounts, but right now, Eddie's on a pause. He wants to be able to turn consistently $1,000 in paper trading to $2,000, and I'm here for the ride because he's my guy. That's my guy. That's
So
my guy.
yeah.
Only because he's not driving a Tesla no more. If he was still
Small
driving,
percentage.
if
Small
he was still driving a
percentage.
Tesla, I'd probably have to treat him like a stepchild.
So yeah, well, I miss my Tesla. Really, 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 really do miss my Tesla.
Yeah, but you're making the same money now and working less hours. So do you really miss your Tesla that much? It's a tool.
Yeah, I know. I
It's
know.
a
It's a
tool.
tool. It's a
It's a
tool
tool.
to make money to fund your dreams.
It's a tool, my brother. It's a tool. It's a tool. That's all it is. It's a tool. You got to remember that. These are
All right, so
nothing
we
but
are done.
tools.
Try to make this money. Make this damn money and invest it. Stop depending on ride sharing because ride sharing ain't gonna last forever. I mean, pfft,
Anyway,
Lyft is tanking. Still
anyway,
tanking.
anyway. You ready?
All right. See ya.